Hey, what up my cruisers? Thank you for watching this video. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to change your tie rod ends on an 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser. So, check it out. So here we at, guys. Cash K5 garage, my boy Jesse's place. Man, this is nice setup. Here we go. Cash K5. Make sure you follow on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description. Got all kinds of tools in here, everything. Oh wow, it's got a welding kit. Man, all right. Got the K5 Blazer. So the first thing you're gonna do on the FZJ80 Toyota Land Cruiser is you're gonna remove the steering stabilizer so we can get access to the tie rod ends. So yeah, here you can see Jesse banging on my tie rod ends. So I'd recommend you get a tool such as these or a pickle fork. They'll be easier to remove the tie rod ends. Otherwise, you're gonna be banging away for a while. Oh, there he goes. Cash K5 garage, baby. Oh, there you go. Yeah, here you go, guys. These are original tie rods right here. Woo! Damn! Yeah, the bushings are damn shot. But yeah. Oh, it is Cash K5 Garage right here. So shout out to the channel.
Hey, I'm gonna upgrade you. I'm gonna put some grease certs here.
Okay, he's gonna put some grease on there. But yeah, these are how they look. We just took them out, as you guys saw. And then we're gonna put these new ones in, hopefully. And there you go. Give you guys another update later. So before you remove your old tie rod ends, make sure you measure how many lines there were. And then when you put on the new ones, you can just line it up, just like you took the old ones off. Little tip right there. So the next step is just to reinstall with the new tie rod ends. So right now we're putting back the front ones on the driver and passenger side. Where are we at? O'Reilly's? Better prices every day. That's what so yeah, we had to make a quick trip to the store because we stripped one of the bolts on the steering stabilizer. We got the part, that's what we need. So we're gonna go back, try to put it on the steering stabilizer. So.
No extra?
If I have something, I'll throw it in my back patio.
Right.
Easy.
Call it a day. It wants to be difficult.
So after we finished tightening up the front steering stabilizer, we started banging away at the rear driver's side tie rod end. There it goes. Woo. Pure strength. I would have had to use the PB blaster for sure. I know I would have got that out. After you finish putting the driver rear together, just finish up with the passenger rear and you'll all be done. So there you go, my cruisers. That's how you put your tie rod ends on an 80 series Land Cruiser. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that post notification button on, and I'll see you back on the next one. Alright, the AZ Cruiser out.